Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over the 3 off 15 DG store coupon for home cleaning supplies, and boy do I have some amazing deals for y'all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so when you're in the store, it is very important to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Now, on Sunday, I did upload a video going over this 3 off 15 spring cleaning supplies DG store coupon. So if you did not watch that video, go and check it out because in that video, I have a link for you all to add this coupon to your account if you haven't already. So if you're missing this coupon, if you still don't have it on your account, go watch that video. I will leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so like I said, we're going to be going over the 3 off 15 DG store coupon for spring cleaning supplies in this video, but here in just a little bit, once I get this video uploaded to the YouTubes, I'm going to be uploading a second video today, so y'all need to be on the lookout because I'm going to have a video going over the 3 off 15 DG store coupon for Easter meals and decor items. And yes, before anybody asks, I did get the link for the 3 off 15 Easter coupon so that I can share it with all of you. So if you don't have that one on your account, don't worry about it. Just make sure that you have your notifications turned on so that you don't miss out on the next video. Now, with all of these 3 off 15 DG store coupons flying around, we have some amazing deals that anybody can do. So your girl right here, Crazy Coupons, I put in the overtime last night. I stayed up super late, took a little tiny cat nap, then got up super early this morning to continue to work on the deals for you guys. So I'm going to wait right here while y'all go and hit that thumbs up button for me because again, it'll just take a second and it is free. So go hit that thumbs up button because we have instant savings, we have coupons, and we have rebates, and I have done all the legwork for you all so that you guys can sit back, watch this video, and then run to the store and pick up these awesome deals. So hit that thumbs up button. Alright, so did everybody hit it? Did everybody smash it? Did everybody give the video a big thumbs up? Huh? Everybody ready? Alright guys, thank you all so much. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the deals. Alright guys, so for this first deal, we're going to pick up 2 of the Palmolive Ultra Dish Liquids, 46 fluid ounces priced at $5 each, and 3 of the Fabuloso 35 count wipes priced at $2.65 each, but the Fabuloso wipes are on sale this week. Buy 2 and get 1 for free. And that is going to put our subtotal at $15.20. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon for home cleaning supplies, the 5 off 2 for the Palmolive Dish Liquid, and the 50-cent off 1 Fabuloso wipes. And after all of your coupons have been applied, you're going to pay $6.70 for all 5 items, making each one just $1.34 each. Alright guys, so for this next deal, you want to pick up 1 of the Dawn dish soap priced at $2.55, 1 of the Puffs tissue cubes priced at $1.65, 3 of the Chlorine spray cleaners for $6, those are $2 each, 1 of the Fabuloso wipes priced at $2.65, 1 Lysol toilet bowl cleaner for $2, and 1 of the Lysol multi-purpose cleaners for $1 found in the dollar aisle. That's going to put your subtotal at $15.85. And here's a quick look at the products that you're going to need to pick up. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 3 off 15, the 50-cent off 1 Dawn dish soap, 25 cents off 1 Puffs tissue, buy 2, get 1 free for the Chlorine products, 50 cents off 1 Fabuloso wipes, 50 cents off 1 Lysol product, and 50 cents off 1 Lysol product. And here is a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So after all of your coupons have been applied, you're going to pay $8.60 for all 8 items, making each one just $1.07 each. Alright guys, so for this next deal, we're going to be picking up 2 of the OxiClean spray cleaners priced at $3.75 each, and 2 of the OxiClean Kaboom cleaners priced at $3.85 each. That's going to put our subtotal at $15.20. The coupons that you're going to need for this scenario is the 3 off 15 DG store coupon for cleaning supplies, and your subtotal after coupons will be $12.20. Now, you will have to pay the $12.20 out of pocket, but this still gets even better because we have rebates on these items. And this is, in fact, one of my favorite deals that I put together, and I will definitely be trying to do it at DG today. So right now on checkout 51, we have a rebate for the Kaboom products. It's 96 cents back, so you're going to get 96 cents for each Kaboom product. Then we also have a rebate for the OxiClean multi-purpose cleaners, which is 94 cents back for each one. Now, these do expire on April the 6th, so make sure that you do this deal before then. So once you're done shopping, you're going to submit your receipt to checkout 51, and you're going to get back a total of $3.88. But the deal gets even better because right now on inbox dollars, we have another rebate for the Kaboom products. So you're going to get $3 back for purchasing 2. And then we also have a rebate for the OxiClean multi-purpose cleaners. And again, you're going to get $3 back when you purchase 2. So you're going to submit your receipt to inbox dollars, and you're going to get a total of $6 back. And that is going to make your final price just $2.32 for all 4 items, making each one just 58 cents each. Y'all, how awesome is that? Now, if you're not already signed up for Inbox Dollars, I do not know what you are waiting on. There is all kinds of different ways that you can earn money through Inbox Dollars. You can either sign up on the website or you can download the app and sign up. Either way you do it, make sure that you are signed up so that you can get in on these deals. And if you're not already signed up, I do have a referral link in the description box, and I'm also going to leave it down in the pinned comment below. And if you use it, you're going to get a free $5 just for signing up. Alright guys, so moving right along, as a lot of y'all know, we have this instant savings deal for a lot of the cleaning supplies. So it's instantly save $5 when you spend $15 on Glade, Windex, Pledge, Scrubbing Bubbles, Drano, Shout, Fantastic, and Ziploc products. So this is going to stack perfectly with a 3 off 15 DG store coupon, and we're going to get some really awesome deals. I do want to say that I planned on going to Dollar General to search out some of these items and scan them to make sure that they were working with the instant savings as well as with the 3 off 15 coupon. But unfortunately, yesterday I just ran out of time and I didn't get to do that. But that is not going to happen to me today. I am going to get to DG today to try out some deals. So make sure that y'all have your notifications turned on. I may post a haul video, or I may just come up with some different ways that y'all can mix and match and post them in the community tab. With all that being said, any way that you guys want to mix and match and come up with a deal, you are getting $8 off right off the bat. If you get your subtotal up to $15, that $5 in instant savings will come off, plus that 3 off 15 DG store coupon. You're getting $8 off of these products that we normally do not get really good deals on. So any way that y'all want to do this deal, it's going to be a good deal. Plus, this instant savings is going to be great for our 5 off $25 scenarios for Saturday. Now, since I mentioned the 5 off $25 scenarios for Saturday, I do want to go ahead and point out that this cleaning DG store coupon does expire on the 8th. So we will not have this coupon come this Saturday to be able to use that and stack that with our 5 off 25s. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and use your 3 off 15s before they expire. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, you want to pick up one of the Windex products priced at $3.50, one of the Scrubbing Bubbles products priced at $4, one of the Shout stain removers priced at $3.25, one of the Glade plugins plus warmers priced at $5.50. And that is going to put your subtotal at $16.25. And then of course we have the instant savings of $5 coming off at the register. And here's a quick look at the products that you want to pick up for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 3 off 15 cleaning DG store coupon, the 50-cent off one Windex, the 50-cent off one Scrubbing Bubbles, and the $2.50 off one Glade from the 327 Smart Source. Now, if y'all did print off your printable coupons from Inbox Dollars last week, y'all should have this coupon as a printable as well. And here is a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And after all of your deals and coupons have been applied, that is going to bring your subtotal down to $4.75 for all 4 items, making each one just $1.18 each. Alright guys, and next up here is a really easy and straightforward deal that y'all can do. You can pick up 2 of the Windex products priced at $3.50 and 2 of the Scrubbing Bubbles products priced at $4 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $15 right on the dot, so that $5 in instant savings will come off at the register. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 3 off 15 DG store coupon for cleaning supplies, the 50-cent off one Windex products, and the 50-cent off one Scrubbing Bubbles product. And that is going to bring your subtotal after coupons to just $6 for all 4 items, making each one just $1.50 each. Alright guys, so if you get into the store and you do want to mix and match any of these deals or products, it is so important, I cannot say it enough, to scan, and then scan again if you're just not sure if you scanned it the first time, okay? Because you want to make sure that that 3 off 15 DG store coupon for cleaning supplies does attach to the products that you want to pick up. And then if you are doing an instant savings deal for when you spend $15, you're going to save $5 at the register. If you're doing one of those deals, it is so important to scan the products to make sure that that individual product is included in the offer. So here's a quick example of what you want to look for whenever you're scanning the products in the store. This is what you want to see on your screen. So let's just pretend we're in the store. We pick up a bottle of Windex and we scan it. That 50-cent off one coupon shows up. The 3 off 15 shows up. And then it also tells us that it is included in that instant savings deal. So again, scan, and then scan again if you're just not sure. Alright guys, so like I said before, anybody can do these deals. Everybody should be able to get the 3 off 15 cleaning supplies DG store coupon on your account at this point. Again, I uploaded a video on Sunday going over this coupon and walking y'all through step by step how to add this coupon to your account. So if you did not watch that video, go and check it out. I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below, and make sure that you get this coupon and that you use it before it expires on the 8th. Now, earlier in the video, I did mention 2 rebate apps. We have Checkout 51 and Inbox Dollars. But once you are done shopping at Dollar General, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because this is the easiest rebate app out there, and I highly recommend it, especially if you are a new couponer. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So definitely go and sign up if you haven't already. If you're not, I do have a referral code, which is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below, and if you want to use it, you're going to get a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Now, if you're looking for more deals at Dollar General this week, don't forget to go and check out my Good Deals and Glitch List video. I did upload that yesterday, so I will leave that linked in the pinned comment down below just in case y'all missed it. Then y'all make sure that your notifications are turned on and stay tuned, because I will be uploading a second video today for that 3 off 15 DG store coupon for Easter meals and decor items. And in that video, like I said, I have the link, plus I have some amazing deals to share with y'all. So make sure that you have your notifications turned on. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.